Welcome to Become a Programmer Full Course 2025. In this video, we'll dive into topic Programming Fundamentals. This is Lesson 3. How to write a source code. Writing source code is what programmers do all day. So source code it's the instructions we write for computer in plain text. In other words, we write it without special formatting like bold, italic, or different font type. It's mostly just the actual characters. This means that word processing applications aren't suitable for writing code because by default they insert bits of information in files that prevent them from being plain text. Instead, you can use a text editor. If you are in a PC, you already have a text editor available to you, Notepad. And for Mac users, there's TextEdit. Both applications allow you to write source code. Let's look at an example. I'll be using Notepad since I'm on Windows. We are going to open a Notepad. If you are using Mac, open up TextEdit. The Notepad comes default with the plain text format. But if you are using Mac, first you have to change the rich text format to plain text format. So now, let's start off by doing our favorite Hello World program. We are going to do the Python version. I'm going to type print, open and close parentheses, in between them with quotes, write Hello World with exclamation mark. Wow, we did it! We've written some source code. Source code can either be one line, like you see here, or thousands. It just depends on the needs of your program. Let's go ahead and save this file. By default, Notepad and TextEdit saves the files with the .txt extension. This is because it's a plain text, but it's a best practice to use an extension that corresponds to the programming language that's inside of your file. Since this code was written in Python, we are going to use the Python extension which is .py. So let's save this file as 01_03.py. 01 is because we are learning the first topic of our Become a Programmer course 2025. This is Lesson 3. Perfect. Each programming language has its own file extensions. For JavaScript, it's .js, Perl, .pl, whereas a language like Kotlin uses .kt and Java uses .java as extension. Now that we know how to write our code, we need to learn how to translate it into the language that the computer speaks. Machine language. This is a vital step to get it running on any device. Thanks for watching.